Dear school principals and teachers, this is Harish from IE School, and I have an important message to share in this video about one of the biggest hackathon the country is going to witness. It is called Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, and it's not just a competition, it's a national movement for innovation. This hackathon is organized by Department of School Education and Literacy and Ministry of Education in collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission, NITI Aayog and AICT. Through this national movement, they are looking to impact over 5 crore children from 3 lakh schools. We wanted your school to be part of this hackathon. The reasons are pretty simple. This is an opportunity for your school to showcase your students' abilities to solve problems. And not only that, your students will also get the needed confidence when they go through the journey of solving problems. You could either have an Atal Tinkering Lab or have a STEM lab, or you don't need to have a lab at all. Any school across India is eligible to participate in this Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Are you ready for it? In this Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, your students of grade 6 to 12 can participate in teams and select one among 4 themes in which they can solve the problems. Here are the 4 themes that the government has announced. One is Atmanirbhar Bharat, which is building self-reliant systems, tools and solutions. The second theme is Swadeshi, fostering indigenous ideas and knowledge systems. The third is Vocal for Local, promoting local products, crafts and resources. And fourth is Samriddhi Bharat, creating pathways to sustainable development. Your students can pick one among these 4 themes to ideate, prototype and come up with an innovative solution to build a better nation for tomorrow. And not only this, every participant team of Viksit Bharat will get a certificate, and government has also announced a prize pool of 1 crore rupees for the winning teams as well. Here are some of the important dates to remember for your school. The registration window for your students is open till October 6th. So please make sure you register in the platform now, and I'm going to explain how to do it in the next few minutes. The next day to remember is from October 6th to 13th. You have preparation module to complete in the platform. On October 13th is the core of this event. They will hold a national level live synchronized event for all the participating teams to come together to solve problems and come up with solutions together on the same day. From October 13th to 31st, you have time to submit your students' ideas into the platform. And November and December are time for evaluation by the officials. And by January 2026, they will announce the winners, and probably they'll announce the date for the culmination event, a grand celebration of innovation across India. And you may think, why IE School needs to share this message? There is an important story behind it. The vision of Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 pretty much aligns with our vision of IE School, because we have been working with so many schools, impacting teachers, children, in terms of making science and technology learning more hands-on and impactful. Through our various of projects like Dexter Box, our Science Kit Box, to our STEM labs, AI labs, Atal Tinkering Labs, we have been working to inspire teachers, to increase the confidence of children, to make hands-on learning the way of learning. And not only that, with that skills, can they solve the problems and make some needed changes in their surroundings. We are also so happy that as part of IE School team, we would like to support this Viksit Bharat Buildathon and promote as much as possible so that we could get more participants, and that results in more innovations from our country.